Welcome to this tutorial of how to make your computer fast if it is slow. So before starting this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given in the description box. So before starting it, if you follow me, then today you will get an overview of how to make your computer quite faster. So this is not something magic trick, or all these are all some inbuilt software that you have that is known as the task manager. So press Windows plus R. This will open the run dialog box. Search for task mgr. This will open your task manager. You can directly search in the search bar and search for task manager. So after opening the search task manager, you can get an overview of, you can see here all the processes running currently. So I can see here each and every process, how much process or how much CPU it is using, the process, how much memory each process is using. So according to my needs, I can see the process which is using the most memory, the most disk storage. So according to my needs, so suppose according to my needs, I can change or I can end the task that I do not need, which is using the most memory. So this will end the task and this will free up the memory and make your computer quite faster than before. So hope you like this video. Make sure to like this, and we would like to hear your comments in the comment box. Thank you, and we will meet in the next video.